Welcome to my new video. Our topic is a closer look at this SATM system. If we go to the contents of the topic, introduction, basic structure of SATM, structure analysis, advantages of structure analysis, deep dive into SATM units and unit number and conclusion. If we go to the introduction part, the simple atomic teller machine is a common self-service banking service that allows users to perform various financial transactions without the need of the human assistance. In SATM, there are functions buttons like B1, B2 and B3, a digit keypad with a cancel key, slots for printer receipts, and ATM cards and doors for deposits and cash withdrawals. The SATM system is described in two ways, with a structural analysis approach and with an object-oriented approach. If we go to the next topic, basic structures of SATM. The structural analysis approach to requirement specification is the most widely used method in the world. It enjoys extensive case tool support as well as commercial training and is described in numerous texts. The technique is based on three complementary models: function, data and control. Here we use data flow diagrams for the functional models, entity relationship models for data, and finite state models for the contact aspect of the SATM system. The open and filled arrowheads and flow arrows signify whether the flow item is simple or complex. If we go to the screens of SATM, Screen 1. Welcome. Please insert your ATM card for service. After inserting, the screen 2 will be there. Enter your person identification number. If the card is acceptable, if not, it directly goes to screen 4. Invalid identification. Your card will be retained. Please call back. Enter your personal identification number if it's correct. Press cancel if error. Your personal identification number is incorrect if you typed incorrect, and go to the screen 3. If it's corrected, go to the screen 5. Please transaction type. Select transaction type, balance, deposit, withdrawal. Press cancel if needed. If you go to screen 6, select account type, checking, savings, press cancel if needed. Screen 7, enter amount, withdrawals plus fees in increments of $10, press cancel if error. Screen 8, insufficient funds, please enter a new amount, press cancel if error. Screen 9, machine cannot dispense the amount, please try again. If you go to the advantages of structure analysis, module, user module, SATM 9, watch card slot, control card roller, screen driver, validate card, validate PAN, validate PIN, manage transaction, new transaction request, validate PIN, get PIN for PAN, personal account number, get PIN, screen driver, get PIN, cases. Deep dive into SATM. This decomposition is the basis for the usually of integration testing. It is important to remember that such a decomposition is primarily a packaging partition of the system. As the software design moves into more detail, the added information lets us refine the functional decomposition tree to a unit calling graph. The unit calling graph is the directed graph in which nodes 1 program units and edges correspond to the program calls. That is, if unit A calls unit B, there is a directed edge from node A to node B. These are the level number and unit name. For 1.1 SATM, 1.1 device sense and control, 1.1 door sense and control. They are denoted by 187.6 slot sense and control. If we come to the conclusion, some of the hierarchy is obscure to reduce the confusion in the drawing. One thing should be quite obvious: drawings of all graphs do not scale up with both the drawing and the adjacent matrix provide insights to the tester. Nodes with high degree will be important to integration testing and paths from the main program node to the single nodes can be used to identify contents of builds for incremental development. If you come to the table, SATM system, device sense and control, door sense and control, get door status, control door, dispense cache, slot sense and control, watch card slot, get deposit slot status, control card roller, control envelope roller, read card, host daily transactions, terminal sense and control, screen driver, key sensor, annexation, validate card, validate PAN, get PIN. Close session, new transaction required, print receipt, post transaction local, merge transaction, get transaction type, get amount type, report balance, process deposit, process withdrawal. If you go to the process thoroughly, it is a simple automatic termination. It will ask for dispense the card. It checks for if it is valid. If it is valid, go to the next step to asking personal account number, which is called as PAN. If it is correct, then it goes to the next step like withdrawal or balance. It will ask for the services provided by them. After you select the services, your service will be delivered if it is correct. If you press withdrawal, if the amount you entered is present in your account and within the daily withdrawal of balance, it can be withdrawn easily